What's the meaning of crosspiece? Crosspiece. Crosspiece.
Crosspiece. Crosspiece. A crosspiece is a horizontal piece of wood, metal or other material that crosses or connects two vertical or diagonal parts. It is commonly used as a support or to provide stability to a structure. Crosspieces are often found in furniture such as chairs and tables, where they provide additional support for the legs. In architecture, crosspieces can be seen in bridges, buildings, and other structures where they provide added strength and stability. Overall, crosspieces play an important role in many different applications and are a critical component in ensuring the stability and durability of various structures and objects.